Hey everybody, this is Chris, and in this video I want to talk about the pronunciation of the 100 most common verbs in English in received pronunciation in the UK. And I'm going to give you some example sentences, so I really hope this video will help you to improve your English pronunciation. And if you haven't already, don't forget you can click the link below this video in the description to sign up for my British accent mini course exclusive to my site. This is not available on YouTube. Just put in your email address, sign up there, and you'll be able to take that course. Okay, let's get on with today's video. Be. What do you want to be when you're older? Have. Or sometimes this can be have. Have you got the time? Do. What do you want to do this weekend? Will or would, because these are effectively from the same verb. What would you do if you had money? Can, or sometimes this can be can. Can I go now? No. Do you want to know a secret? See. Can you see me? May I ask a question? Should. I don't know what I should do. Think. I think it's going to rain. Go. Would you go to the shop for me? Make. Let's make a cake. Must. You must complete this task before tomorrow. Take. Do you normally take the bus to school? Come. Can you come to the party? Say. I don't know what to say. Put the cup on the table. Want. What do you want to drink? Give me a piece of chocolate. Look. Have a look and tell me what the problem is. Find. I can't find my phone anywhere. Set. The glue hasn't set yet. Use. Can I use your toilet for a minute? Become. I want to become rich and famous. Tell me your name, please. Keep. Can you keep it for me? I'll come back and collect it later. Work. You can't work all the time. Watch some TV. Let me give you a hand with that. Feel. Do you feel anything when I kiss you? Provide. Does the hotel provide towels? Believe. I don't believe you. I think you're lying. Try. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Shall I come round and see you later? This sometimes can be pronounced shall as well. This is the weakened pronunciation. Shall. Ask. Ask him if he's going to be at the meeting. Remember. This is not remember, it's remember. Remember to take the washing out of the washing machine. Leave. Leave your keys on the desk. Show. Show me your ID card. Pay. Pay. When are you going to pay me back? Run. Run. You can run, but you can't hide. Read. Read. Turn off your computer and read a book for a change. Seem. Seem. It seems there is something missing here. Include. Include. I wasn't included in the list of invitees for the conference. Bring. Bring. Remember to bring all your documents with you. Understand. Understand. Do you understand what I'm saying? Start. Start. I don't want to start a fight, but you're annoying me. Play. Play. Do you want to play chess? Cut. Cut. I was talking, but he cut me off. Live. Live. Do you live around here by any chance? Meet. Meet. I love meeting new people and doing new things. Hear. Hear. I can't hear you. Can you talk a bit louder? Call. Call. Give me a call if you're free tomorrow. Stop. Stop. Don't stop if you're having fun. Turn. Turn. Turn left at the traffic lights. Talk. Talk. Can I talk to you for a minute? Buy. Buy. I want to buy a car. Do you have any recommendations? Thank. Thank. I wanted to thank you for everything you've done for me. Change. Change. If you're not happy with your life, it's time for a change. Continue. Continue. What were you saying just now? Please continue. Consider. Consider. I hope you'll consider my proposal carefully. Allow. Allow. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name's Chris. Hope. Hope. I hope you pass the interview. Best of luck. Produce. Produce. The measures didn't produce a positive effect. Stay. Stay. Please don't leave me. Stay for one more day. Appear. Appear. It appears that there is a problem. Write. Write. While I'm away, I'll write to you every day. Hold. Hold. Hold on tight. The ride is about to start. Expect. Expect. I expect he will be here in the next 20 minutes. Ensure. Ensure. Please ensure that you take everything with you. Suppose. Suppose. I suppose that you won't want dinner, will you? Wish. Wish. I wish I didn't live in a big city. I don't like it here. Carry. Carry. I can't carry so much shopping. We'll have to put something back. Follow. Follow. It's this way. Follow me. Offer. Offer. I'd like to offer you £100 for it. Support. Support. I really hope you'll support my decision to leave. Accept. Accept. Good news, my offer was accepted. Speak. Speak. How many languages do you know how to speak? Lead, lead. Sometimes this can be pronounced led, but that's when it's a noun. It means the metal. But as a verb in the present tense, this is pronounced lead. If you're going to be a manager, you've got to know how to lead. Remain, remain. Remain where you are for a moment and don't go anywhere. Stand, stand. I don't think it's healthy to sit down all day. I like to stand up. Suggest, suggest. I suggest you go and ask her yourself if you want an answer. Hit, hit. Why are you crying? Did that boy hit you? Develop, develop. The town developed over 150 years. Happen, happen. What do you think will happen if you do nothing? Sit, sit. I wanted to sit down, but there was nowhere to sit. Win, win. I don't play to compete, I play to win. Love, love. I love you. Love me? You don't even know what love means. Add, add. Do you have anything you want to add? Learn, learn. There are so many things to learn. Create, create. I really admire people who can create things with their hands. Agree, agree. I wanted to ask you, but I didn't know if you would agree. Wait, wait. Wait here for a minute. I'll be right back. Avoid, avoid. If you want to drive across London, you should avoid the rush hour. Send, send. Can you send me the photos by email? Form, form. Please form an orderly queue along the side of the building. Explain, explain. It's quite complicated. Let me try to explain it. Return, return. When do you plan to return to the UK? Sell, sell. Sell your bike to me if you don't use it anymore. Receive, receive. Did you send me an email? I haven't received it yet. Open, open. It's so hot in here. Could you open the window for a moment? Begin, begin. Are you sitting comfortably? Then I shall begin. Okay, so those are the 100 most common verbs that you might use in English. I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget you can pause the video and you can repeat the sentences after me and you can try to remember them yourself if that makes things easier for you. And thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know what you thought of this video and I'll catch you again next time. All right, bye for now.